In this video, I'll show you how to restore and recover Microsoft Authenticator app without old phone. Now your Microsoft Authenticator app is always tied to your Microsoft account. That means if you can still sign in to your Microsoft account, you can recover it on your new phone. So first, download the Authenticator app on your new phone and open it. Tap Sign In, enter your email, and click Next. Normally, you'd be asked to approve a request on your old Authenticator, but since you don't have it, look at the bottom of the screen for other options. The first option is use your password instead. Just enter your Microsoft account password and you'll be signed in. If you don't want to use your password, choose I don't have access to my Microsoft Authenticator app. From here, Microsoft will send a verification code to one of your backup methods, like an alternate email or phone number. Select the option you have access to, get the code, and type it in to continue. If you don't have access to any backup method, choose I don't have any of this. Microsoft will then guide you through updating your security information. For security reasons, this process takes up to 30 days before you regain full access. During that time, you'll be able to add a new phone number or email for recovery. Now, if you've also forgotten your Microsoft account password, you'll need to reset it first. Just search for a Microsoft account recovery in Google. Click the official recovery form and enter the email you're trying to recover. Provide a different contact email where Microsoft can reach you, confirm it, and you'll receive a code. Enter the code, then follow the on-screen questions to prove ownership of your account. Once that's done, you can sign back in, update your security info, and finish setting up the Authenticator app on your new phone. And that's it. You've now restore and recover Microsoft Authenticator app without old phone